Okay, yes. Could you just please tell me how it went today?
I thought it was marvelous. The fixers were the most delightful people. They just enjoyed what they did. They enjoyed the challenge of whatever you put forward to them. And I walked around too, and I noticed they were all the same. They were just enjoying what they did. And there are too many people that just don't enjoy what they're doing. And they were just poster people for that type of thing. We should all enjoy what we're doing, and they did.
For you as a visitor, having something fixed, how does their passion affect you in the way you learn?
Well, I started thinking of all the things I had at home just sitting around, knowing that they can be fixed, and wondering whether I can put my skills to the challenge and be as passionate as they are about what they do. So yes, it's catching. Yeah, it's catching.
What did you bring to?
You mean which
yeah,
things
yeah,
did
which...
I bring? I brought 2 desk lamps. One was definitely a challenge, but Aaron rose to the challenge. I had an electric kettle. That too was challenging, and Mike rose to the challenge. So I dealt both with Mike. Oh, and I had a bit of sewing to do my laptop bag, the inside part of it, the divider tore, and I got it done there. But everybody is so willing and looking forward to the challenge. That's the part I like. So it was good. And the atmosphere, everybody is friendly because we all want the same thing. So this is my first time. I will definitely spread the word. Definitely a welcoming and fulfilling experience. It was.
Thank you very much. And it's okay if we post this on the website, the Repair Cafe website?
Certainly.
Yeah? Okay.
Certainly.
And what's your name?
My name is Gloria.
Gloria?
Yes.
And Watson?
Yes.
So Gloria Watson?
That's correct.
Okay. Well, Gloria, thank you very much for
Thank you.
this
Thank